If you want to close clients in the virtual staffing industry at a level most people can't even imagine, then you need a different language, a different presence, a different mindset. When you show up tired, distracted, and unfocused, it shows, and no one will buy. But when you show up energized, sharp, and intentional, people feel it. They buy from confidence, from clarity, from certainty. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 8 deadly skills every virtual staffing salesperson must master if they want to close with power, build trust fast, and lead with authority. These are not fluff tips. These are behavioral weapons you can start using today. This is the mindset we train with every rep at AIM Staffing Solution. Let's go. 1. Your eyes. In the virtual staffing world, trust is everything, and your eyes will tell the story before your pitch even starts. When you look directly at your client on a Zoom call, they feel your presence. They see that you're focused, confident, here to serve, not just to sell. Your eyes communicate intention. Clients want to feel seen, heard, and prioritized. If you're checking your notifications or drifting off during a call, they'll know. Be fully present. Let your eyes show that you're locked in. It's a forgotten art in communication, and it's deadly when mastered. Number 2, your smile, your teeth. Yes, your smile is part of sales strategy, a real one. When you're smiling, you're projecting energy, optimism, and trust. Clients don't just buy the solution, they buy the state you're in. Want to put your client in a buying state? Show them that a confident, energized version of yourself. A simple, honest smile tells people, you can trust me. It creates emotional safety, especially when selling something intangible like virtual staffing. So smile with intention. It's part of the transfer of belief. At AIM Staffing Solutions, we believe that your presence and posture can carry more weight than your proposal. 3, the head nod. Simple but powerful. The head nod reinforces connection and agreement. When you say things like, you probably dealt with unreliable freelancers before, right? And you nod while saying it. Your eyes guiding the client to say yes. Sales is emotional leadership, and motion creates emotion. Start using subtle nods to lead agreement, build connection, and show alignment. It creates rapport faster than most people realize. We practice this at AIM Staffing Solutions to help every rep learn to lead the conversation without being pushy. 4, your hands. Whether in person or on a video, your hands paint pictures. They communicate excitement, energy, and direction. Great salespeople don't hide their hands. They use them intentionally to give rhythm and energy to their message. In remote sales, this is especially important. Without body language, tone and hands become everything. Don't let your hands sit still. Use them while emphasizing points, express emotion, and invite engagement. Your hands equals your emphasis. Tool, your hands equals your emphasis tool. Use them. This is part of the high-performance sales language we build at our daily role plays at AIM Staffing Solutions. 5, your feet, your movement. Even if you're on a Zoom, movement matters. Your energy is tied to how you move. If you're standing up, using space, or even leaning during important parts of the pitch, it changes how your message lands. Great communicators move with purpose. They shift, they lead, they engage. So when you're presenting your virtual staffing solution, move with clarity, don't fidget, move with impact. Movement creates leadership energy. And in our AIM Staffing Solutions team, we coach presence, not just pitch. 6, your posture. Posture is body confidence. Posture is power. You're the expert. You represent AIM Staffing Solutions. You're the one bringing clarity systems and top-tier remote talent to their operations. So sit or stand like a leader. Chest open, chin up, solid energy. When your posture says, I know what I'm doing, people believe you, even before they process your words. Posture leaves the sale before the script does. 7, tonality. This is your emotional lever. Your tone tells people how to feel about what you're saying. Go up when you're excited. Go low when you're serious. Slow down when you want to land. Selling remote staffing isn't just about facts. It's about feeling. Tonality builds urgency, connection, and belief. Practice pitch, pause, and pace. Your voice is a performance. Deliver it with layers. At AIM Staffing Solutions, we teach our sales team to speak with depth, not just direction. 8, language. This is the big one, the great separator. If you want to be average, speak like everyone else. If you want to dominate, learn to speak differently. Don't say, we have VAs. Say, we embody top-tier virtual professionals directly into your operation in less than 10 days. Don't say, we help with back office tasks. Say, we remove friction from your core team by offloading the repetitive load with pre-trained remote staff. Language is your paintbrush. Master it and you control perception. We spend time at AIM Staffing Solutions refining the words, metaphors, and positioning language our team uses because in this game, words win. These 8 skills are invisible to the untrained eye, but deadly in the hands of a pro. If you want to stand out, close more deals, and become unforgettable in the world of virtual staffing, master these. Watch this video again, train daily, your confidence and conversions will skyrocket. This is Mauricio Paz with AIM Staffing Solution. Let's dominate, let's lead, let's scale. Follow me today for more valuable information and leave a comment.